Today I'm going to show you how to make reusable plant tags from recycled plastic. Here we can see a couple of them, they wash off eventually, but for a temporary solution they're excellent. When I just get a plant home, I always make a little plant tag, and then until I can make these more permanent tags, which I will show you in another video how to do. But for now, let me show you how to make these reusable and recycled plant tags. To make these recycled plant tags, you can use any kind of plastic bottle that's not completely clear. Milk cartons, orange juice cartons, and I like to just start in the middle and cut around this way. And we're going to use as much of this as we can. Just put water in there. That goes to waste. So we just cut this way, cut down the other side, and then we cut them out. This is so simple, so easy. And if you saw our recent shorts or YouTube video, if you saw our recent video about bringing home 44 clearance plants, well, some of them survived, but we need a lot of tags, and this is just a great solution for reusable recycled plastic temporary plant tag. They won't last forever, and permanent rockers will eventually wash off, but they just work great as a temporary solution. They last several months, especially in the dry season, but at least it buys me time until I can make my permanent aluminum plant tags, which take time. And so I'm definitely not going to make permanent aluminum plant tags for all these clearance plants that we just bought, knowing that all of them might not survive. So for now, we're going to start out with these temporary do-it-yourself plastic, recycled plastic plant tags. They're not going to cost us a penny. So now the last step is just to put them at an angle. Now the last step before you use these is just to dry them. I'm using an old t-shirt that we made into t-shirt cloths, we call them. And I'm just going to write Chicago, cargo, hardy, fig on this one. There you go. That's it. You make your own, do it yourself, this recyclable plant tags. Zero cost.